morning everyone. We the students of Team 3 from CSE 4 are here to explain our project that is multipurpose vending card which aims to work for the street vendors. This card mainly uses only for the street vendors in their budget friendly manner. Actually manual cards have all the features like bicycle and everything, but they do not have a refrigeration center. Our multipurpose vending card have refrigeration center which will be made of Arduino and everything. This will have various sections too to store the perishable items and everything. This will be used for the various kind of food items.
Good morning everyone. My name is Janmali and my roll number is 05DW. I am from Team 3 I am going to explain about the issue faced by the street vendors. The main problem they are facing is in the traditional vending cart they do not have a roof system. Because of that they are facing many problems due to weather conditions, and in our vending cart, in multipurpose vending cart, we have the roof system which protects the vendor as well as vegetables from all the weather conditions, and it also consists of a refrigeration center which is used to store the vegetables and different kinds of leafy vegetables and everything, and it is used to store the vegetables which are the leftover vegetables, and at the end of the day the leftover vegetables are kept in the refrigeration center which are used for the next day.
Myself Kashu Reddy. I'm saying about existing solutions. There are so many existing solutions are there out of the in the market. There are street vending carts, solar vending carts, and more etc. The gaps in the existing cards are highly priced. The price is around 70k.
My name is Durga Prasad. I am from CSE 4 Team 3. Gaps in the existing solutions. The first gap in the existing solutions are limited space, and second is weather dependence and seasonal limitations. Fourth, infrastructure needs. Fifth, security concerns. Thank you.
Good morning guys, myself Mr. Chandra, I am from Team 3 and I explain about the components. Multi-purpose vending card, we use Arduino Uno and breadboard, relay and the humidity sensor and a peddler mod. Peddler mod is having two fans, and outside of the fan to dissipate the hot air, and inside of the fan the cooling the refrigeration center, and we using the current source we use to use the 32 volts of a battery, and that's it.
Good morning everyone, myself Suman from Team 3. I am here explaining about components working. Here we are using peddler model which is consisting of two fans. These two fans are separated by ceramic material, which is big fan here used to dissipate heat, small fan to cool the center. The working of the DTH sensor is to detect the heat to detect the temperature in the box. Here using relay. Relay is about on and offing the switches.
Finally, I conclude that comparing to the other multipurpose vending card, this multipurpose vending card will be more efficient, which enables with the refrigeration center, which costs around 20,000, which will be in a budget-friendly manner for